And today we come to Caniço and we're going to meet a very important biblical and historical figure. You'll see him in a moment. But until then, just look at that view there. Yes, that's a cable car to the right of me and a windy road down to a beach. But just in the distance there, we have the capital of Madeira, that which is Funchal, which I will be returning to in full later on during the week. And that's where I stayed for the most part on my last trip here. So we simply follow this path to the viewpoint ahead, which will be my destination for this part. Well, one of several on this vlog anyway. More of those cactus plants to my right. It seems to be the rage of locals, or could be tourists. I can't tar everyone with the same brush, but they all seem to be autographing the local plants. And can you guess who it is yet? Peeping through just on the skyline on the left hand of the frame. We'll just go up these steps and see. You can see the back of him. Do you know who it is yet? No, we'll get closer. And here's the big reveal. Jesus Christ. It's Jesus Christ. Cristo Rey, as it's known here. Standing at 14 meters tall. And if it looks familiar, there is one in Rio de Janeiro, which is more famous. But that one is actually older, because this one was built in 1927, I believe. So the one in Brazil, even though it's more well known, this is the original. Arms open wide to welcome people to Madeira. It looks like the viewing platform for Cristo Rey is closed off. They're doing something there, so we can't get right up to him. There is a pathway going down to Ponta do Garajau, which I've heard it's 220 steps in all to see an even better view of Funchal. So we'll take our time getting there. It's nowhere near as bad as it was yesterday. And I'm actually out quite late this afternoon because there was rain for most of the morning and early afternoons. I had to wait for it to clear because I didn't fancy getting myself soaking wet. It's spring after all, so it was expected through maybe 30% of the days which I'm going to be out here. I'm still waiting for it to be a scorch of a day, but can't expect everything. But I'm hoping for a break in the clouds for a lovely sunset later. So here we are, we've reached the end of it. Just a rock there, and this will be the definite end if I can clamber over these rocks here. That was easily done. And final bit of rockery, and this is it, looking down. Gotta watch my step here. Don't want to fall in and have the Coast Guard or rescuing me. And look at that, looking all the way to Funchal. It's just a shame that it's overcast today. And upon closer inspection, looks like he's having a paint job just on the base. And now we're going to get into the cable car, which takes us down to Praia de Garajau, which is a beach below. It's about 140 meters below us at sea level, obviously. And it's only €3 for a return trip or €2 one way. And after the shenanigans of yesterday, I do not fancy walking up. Seems steep enough. Anyway, I'm going to give you the view in front of me.
Oh, rocky, rocky, rocky.
If you can see through the glass, there's a few scratches on the glass, but hopefully the camera will do a good enough job in showing you this trip in all its glory. And looking through the side window, Cristo is up there above that hill. And as you can see below, that's a road which twists and turns all the way down. And there's the other cable car heading back up. The last one is about 7 p.m, so the cable car keeper said, so got to make sure we get that in time. There's Praia de Garajau on my left, and I think we might call into that bar there for coffee, which says welcome to paradise. So just got off the cable car now, and we're going to explore what's in front of me now and see what there is to see. And looking up there, you can just about make out Jesus's right arm, Cristo Rey's right arm rather, and you can see the top cable car station right there. And I didn't think it was going to happen. The sun has come out. It's right there in front of me. I can finally top up my tan. So just go down these steps here, and it goes right up to the beach. Praia de Garajau. Praia means beach in Portuguese, by the way. Oh, and there's one of those cute signs up ahead. Love these. I saw something similar in one of the beaches near Albufeira, if you remember that one. So I thought I'd just treat myself and get a chicken toasted sandwich with fries. It's only €4. I'm at RestauranteOMero, so this is what it looks like. And I'm waiting to devour it because I'm starving now. And there's a cute little parrot in this restaurant here, and his name is Sunny, I believe. And some cool artwork here with some tin cans with rope around it. This place would be absolutely amazing if we had a warm day and blue skies, but it's not so bad. It's maybe about 16 Celsius right now, and there was a break in the sun earlier. Right, I guess it's time to head back because it's coming up to 7 o'clock, and if I don't make the cable car heading back up, I'm gonna have to walk. It's a total washout. Obrigado.
Obrigada.